In terms of faceless methods for earning online, this doesn't get any easier. And why doesn't it get easier? Well, because it is as simple as copy and paste. It's ridiculous. So a couple of weeks ago, over in my community over on school called the Faceless Movement, I uploaded this resource called the Viral Thread Builder. And basically, all you have to do is give it your niche and a product or a service that you're either promoting or that you earn, essentially something you want to make money from. Then the viral thread builder will do everything for you. It will give you your posts and all the good stuff. It will even give you a weekly calendar and schedule all of this stuff out for you. So if you are in the Faceless Movement, then go ahead and check it out. If you're not, then have a watch of this video and see what you think of it, because it's incredible. It really is. So I'll edit this video here onto the one you're watching now. Enjoy. Any comments or questions, then drop them down below. I'll see you soon. Welcome back. So first of all, I'm going to share with you the actual software that I've created, and then I'm going to show you how to do this and basically just how simple this process is. Because here's the great thing, okay? You don't need to spend money on this. You don't need to spend a lot of time on this. You just need to be consistent, okay? So I'll show you this. So over in ChatGPT, I created this GPT. This is what they're called. So this one that I've created for you is this one over here, the Viral Thread Builder. And here's the thing. Creates niche specific, so any niche or category that you're in, it will work with content threads with copy and paste hooks. So I will put a link to this down below for you. Just click on it and it will bring you over here, okay? And then you've got all of these things up here. So if you press any of these, so make a 7-day posting calendar, it will do it. Turn this topic into 3 unique Facebook posts, etc. Okay? Or you can just click on here. So we'll just click, let's just click on here, look. So I'm going to click on that. My niche is, so got it. Give me the most effective threads. I want your niche. So for example, what niche are we in? Can you tell me your niche? What do you want? Okay, so I am going to say, it's done it up here for me already. So I'm going to say, I am in the faceless content niche. As simple as that. Okay, let's see what it comes back with. So here we go. It's literally just doing this for me. And the reason why this is so good and it's operating so well is I have given this viral thread over here, I have given all the stuff from the profiles that I showed you. I also give it information about what I would like it to do and the structure of it and lots more. And you can see on here, look, it's given me all of these. And then it also does as well, look, do you want me to also adapt these into Twitter thread format so you can cross post or keep them only for Facebook? So have a play around with this, okay? So we'll go up here, look. So let's have a look at this. So our hook, so this is our original post. Stop overthinking, here's how to launch faceless content in 7 steps. And then it's got all of these. Call to action, want more step-by-step faceless content, join the community here. So this over here, this call to action, you can change this or edit or put whatever you want in. So obviously I'll put mine in, but let's do this post together, okay? So I'm just going to come over here. I'm going to go on here, I'm going to click on here, and I'm going to go over onto my profile. And all I'm doing is I am clicking on here, okay? Like so, create a post. Then, on here, the first thing I do is, you see this, I click on here and I change it to black. So it's got a black background. And then all I'm doing here is, this is my hook. So I'm going to click on here like so. I'm going to come back over here, and I'm just going to simply paste it in here. And then you see down here where the smiley face is, I'll do this as well. I just put the finger down, okay? So that's it. Then I'm going to click on next. And then I'll just simply click on post. So whilst that's now posting, I'll come over here and I'm going to take this. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to go back over to Facebook to the post. I'm going to give it a like. I'm going to click on the comments. And then all I'm going to do is I'm just going to type in 1, like this. 1, paste. Go back over here to ChatGPT, and then I'm going to get number 2, like so. And I'm just putting all of these in here, like this, and then at the end, I am going to put in my call to action. And literally, I mean, you can do this on a laptop like what I'm doing here, but it is a lot easier as well just to do over on your phone. Just simply switch between the 2 tabs and then just copy and paste. And as you can see, this doesn't take long at all to do. It really doesn't. So I'm just going to put this in here for like this, paste, and then we've just got a couple more to do. and it's done. And as you can see, this whole process using this little piece of software that I've created for you, it's just so simple. And you can literally, you can ask it to do more if you want. If you want, you know, more than 3 posts, you can say, give me 7, however many posts. And now I forgot one number. I was up to number 6. Let's put number 6 in here, like so. And then we've got the last one, and that's it. So come down here, number 7, like so. So that's all of that bit done, okay? So we have got our hook at the top, which is this. We have then got our content, which is all of this, so we're providing value. And then obviously we have got a call to action. Now, if I'd have been smart at the beginning up here, I should have put my affiliate link in here. So I could have told it to put that in. I'll show you that in a second. But let me go ahead and just grab it. Okay, so I'm just going to put in not taught at school. There we go, Faceless Freedom. I just copy that, come back over here, and I just put PS or whatever you want basically. Learn how I am earning online using AI and faceless content. Like that. And that, people, is it done. I think we can agree. That wasn't difficult. It's not hard or complex at all. But let's go back over into this and we'll do another one. So that is it done, basically. Up here, we've got our call to action. We've got our content in here, and then we've got our call to action, okay? Perfect. So let's come back over here. Let's go back over into this over here. Let's go back into the viral thread builder. Let's go into, let's just click on here. Let's go on here and we'll go back into it and we'll do a different niche, okay? So let me just click on here for a second. Let's get rid of that. So you can start by clicking any of these up here as well, okay? Or you can just simply come on here and type in. You can say, I am in the dog niche, for example, dog niche. We help people train the dogs. Train their dogs. This is this is a product I am an affiliate for, and then I would put my link in there. So I'll tell you what, and we'll do it really. Just let me pause the video. I'll go and get a link and I'll show you the next bit. So let me pause. Okay, so for this part, I've just come over to this marketplace called ClickBank. Now, if you don't know, ClickBank is so it's essentially an affiliate network. So you can find products, there's thousands of products on here that you can become an affiliate for. It's available in I believe it's 98 countries, and it's absolutely free to sign up for. So you create an account for free, okay? But this is just one platform. There's loads and loads of other places where you can find products that you can become an affiliate for. You can just go on Google or ChatGPT and say, I'm in this niche or this category. Can you find me any products which I can become an affiliate for? And it will show you, and you just go through the process, sign up, they're free, and then you get your affiliate link. So for example, in here, you can go into all of the different categories here. You can use the search bar down here on the left-hand side, or you can just simply search in here. So let's just type in dog. And we can see, look, brain training for dogs, unique, easy selling, direct tracking available, and then it gives you a bit more information about the product. So what is it? So this is a high quality dog training course featuring 21 games. You can see over here the stats about this product. So the average conversion is $42, and then it gives you more stats on here. You can also go and look at the actual sales page. So if you click on there, it will open up into a new tab, and you can see this is the sales page where you would basically be sending people from Facebook over to this product over here. It's a pretty decent sales page, to be fair. Let's come back over here. They've also got an affiliate page. So again, click on there. It'll tell you more information about the product. If it's a decent product, it'll also have additional resources. So you can see over here, look, looking for banners. They've got banners on here. They normally as well, look, they'll normally give you, yeah, pretty much everything on here. Emails that you can use. Look, email swipes, promotional videos, at keyword. There's loads of information, okay? But essentially, we need a product, okay? So we're going to go with this one. Now for this, you see up here where it says get affiliate link. Just click on there, click affiliate link, and basically in here, you see up here it says earn commission for every customer that you send over to this. Now in here you can put in your nickname, you can also fill this in as well. So I'm just going to click on there, and it normally, you see how it just populated this down here, it normally does it via your name or a username or nickname when you're signing up to ClickBank. Okay, so for now I'm just going to click on there. I'm then going to scroll down the page. Now on first, looking at this originally, you think, bloody hell, there's a lot going on here. You don't need to worry about all this. As long as it's got your nickname up here, and then scroll down here, you've got an option here. Well, you've not. You've got one option, which is send them over to the landing page. Sometimes they have different landing pages. Maybe they're testing them, but you just select the landing page where you want it to go. So in this example, we want people to click from Facebook over onto this sales page over here. Okay. So I'm going to scroll down the bottom, and you see here, look, this now is my link. So if I click on copy, you see it says hop link copied. So if I go over here and paste that in here now, paste and go, what's going to happen is it's going to send me over to the sales page with my own tracking ID within that link. So anybody clicks it and purchases the product, it's tracked back via the ClickBank tracking to my account. And you can see up here, look, hop, here we go, hop equals MFAN. So that's my tracking link. So if anybody was to go ahead and buy that now, I would earn a commission. I could even just copy this like so and use that. Or you could even use a link shortener, which basically means instead of it being a really long link like this, you can just shrink it down. So I'll show you one that's free. You can just go over to bit.ly, go over here, and you just simply put in your long, ugly link. In fact, I'm pretty sure I think I've got a bit.ly account from a while ago. Let's have a little look and I'll show you. But basically, you can see on here, we're just shortening the URL. So let's go in here. Hopefully, I'm sure I've got a bit.ly account. Sign up, I don't want to sign up. Let's just, oh, look at that. Shorten link, no credit card required. Paste your link here. What's going on here? I'm just looking at this purely because sign up for free. Normally with these, they have like a back end of this so you can track your links and other things. So let's go ahead and have a little look at this. And look, by the way, you don't have to use bit.ly. There's loads and loads of free link shorteners that you can use. Okay, so we are now over on the inside of bit.ly. I completely forgot the password for this. I use this platform predominantly for when I'm doing YouTube videos and other bits, but it's free, it works, and it's got tracking, okay? Now, they do have paid plans on here, but you don't need them, you really don't. So how it works is over here on links, you would click on there, like so, and you can see we've got some different links in here that we've trialed and tested going back a number, well, yeah, you can see going back over to 20, well, long time ago, basically. So let's come up here. Now, all we do here is, on the right-hand side, we click on Create Link. And destination URL is this over here. So we want to be sending people over to this landing page. So let's go back down here and get our link from ClickBank. And we're just going to paste our affiliate link in here, like so. And then you can also shorten the back end of the link. So you see here where it says shorten link. This is how the link would look. So it would say bit.ly, and on the back end of this, you can. I mean, you don't have to, but you can change it. So we could just say, I don't know, brain dog training, something like that. Let's just click on generate. And there we go, look, it's ready. So now, that there is my affiliate link. So I'm going to take that link now and go back over into ChatGPT. So do you remember earlier we said, look, I'm in the dog niche, we help people train their dogs. This is a product I am an affiliate for. Paste that into there, hit on enter, and all being well, fingers crossed, there we go, look. Absolutely brilliant, isn't it? It really is. So that there would be a headline. Stop guessing how to train your dog. Follow this simple steps. Oh, sorry. Follow this simple system. Here are what you paste into the Facebook comments, and here is your call to action. Look, full step-by-step program that works for any dog. Get it here. And just to show you that that indeed works, let's just click on there, click on go to, and it's going to open up into there. It's going over to the sales page, and up there is my affiliate link. So there you go. That is it. That is the whole process of these, viral thread posts that you can do over on Facebook. That is as simple and it is easy as it is. It'll just take a bit of consistency with this. So any questions, do go ahead and ask in the community. I will put a link to the viral thread builder down below for you. Enjoy. Any questions, let me know. I'll see you soon.